In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to lock your stolen device even if they know your passcode. The stolen device protection feature on iPhones is crucial because it significantly reduces the value and usability of a stolen device, thereby deterring theft. To activate it, simply head to your settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. You will then navigate onto this option of stolen device protection. Make sure to enable the option on. When turned on, even if someone who has stolen your phone knows your passcode, they can't change anything. Let's try changing the passcode. If you tap on Change Passcode, this notification will show up. They can use the phone but can't change anything within a period of 1 hour. So in case you lose your phone, that period might help you recover your phone back before they change anything. That's how easy it is to enable stolen device protection on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.